What is going on? This is Bosscraft, aka Pyro FT. How are y'all doing? I know this is the first video. These are going to be a little bit more created often, I guess you can say it that way, because I would like to explain some features that the server offers and how they work, because there's some that get very, very confusing. Alright, so let's start off. This is how to use custom enchants on Bosscraft prison. You can use them in the free world and you can use them in the prison world. So whichever part you want to use them in, you're more than welcome to. So let's start off with, of course, the whole thing is based off of XP. So it depends on how much XP you have. And to obtain XP on the server, mob grinder, you can do voting. Voting gives you 64 a stack of EXP bottles, and there's of course other ways, mining and etc. etc. I'm gonna make it a little bit easier and have them obtainable by crates, lucky blocks, all types of cool stuff. Anyway, so there's two ways of getting custom enchants. You can either get them from this person right here, which is enchanter, and if you're not at spawn, you can just do /enchanter and you'll have the same menu pull up. As you go up on the enchants, of course, you could see the exp cost would cost more. It's not xp, it's exp, so it's different, and I'll show you that in a second. And you can right click on it and see what type of books you can get from it, and of course as you go up, you know, they get more OP, for example. So there's that. Your tinker right here will give you multiple different things, and I'll explain that in a second as well. This is where you can drop armor pieces that you want to convert into EXP bottles, which will give you more levels. And then let's just go ahead and do a test run. So first, like I said, you could do it from two different ways. You could either do it through an enchantment table. I should have had this ready, but I did not, so my apology. Let's just, put it right in the middle of spawn. Whatever. Haven't done that in a very long time. Okay, so here, let's do a diamond chestplate. Let's just do a couple of them. So on here, let's loop this in there. See, there you go. You got one. Let's do a cheaper level. It's harder, of course, from cheaper levels. See, there it is. There's more. There's a lot of cool enchants. There's over 200 enchants in this, and we're adding more as we're going. So let's say you're like, oh, I don't like these enchants. I don't want them. Okay, cool. You go to Enchanter, go to the Tokenator, drop them in there, and then you get XP off of it. So then you accept to sell, and then confirm, and then you get your XP bottle. So then you just drop them on the floor to get them. /enchanter, back to enchanter again. This is right here where you combine books to get a stronger book. It's an anvil. That's literally what it is. So this is one way of getting enchants. The other way is a little bit more complicated, and this is why I wanted to create this video. Click on enchanter. Let's go ahead and go into game mode 0 / clear my inventory /exp give pyro. Let's give myself some exp. So go to enchanter, and let's go ahead and get a random enchant from this. That's what it will look like. And then let's get a few cheap enchants so I can show y'all some cool stuff. So right click. Cool, I got this. Success rate 100%, which means you'll get it 100%. That's not what I want right now. I want something that's not 100%. Let's do enchanter. Let's try that again. I don't know if these are all 100%. I don't think they are. Yeah, there we go. Cool. So you have a destroy rate and you have a success rate. And let me do these two as well. Here's more enchants. So let's say this book, you want it to be 100%. You love this book, you don't want to get rid of it, and you want it to succeed 100% on what you want to combine it to, which this one right here, it says sword enchantment. So /I diamond sword 1. So to put the enchant, of course, you just right click. You just pick up the book, right click on it, and you're done. But again, let's say you want to increase that success rate, because you can. So that's 73%. So if you go to enchanter again, go to open tinker, and you drop your old books in there, you get, so this could either fail, you can either get it or you can't get it. Let's go ahead and accept. So if you right click it, you'll either get magic dust or a dust that is useless, basically. What you want is you want to get the magic dust, which looks like sugar. So let's see if I can get one. There we go, cool. So I got one. So this right here will add 6% on top of it. It's very simple. Right click it and you get 6%, and then you have your sword. Right click it. Awesome, it worked. So you got that enchant on there. But anyways, that's how to use them. And like I said, you can use them in Warp Free, and you can use them at Prison. Other than that, that is it. That is how to use custom enchants on Bosscraft. Thank y'all for watching. Have a good day.